Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
I say this life is for the living. We only sleep when we are dead. You are an eagle, so I say jump! Jump! Take that leap of faith and jump. Just maybe the parachute might open and it will help you fly just like an eagle. Fly just like an eagle. And if it doesn't open, you'll fall down. But guess what? You'll get up again and do it, do it, do it, do it until you get to the place where you want to go. You only live once. You have one life to live. So do it and do it right.
It's okay, I've had you. It's okay, I've had you. I'm not even sleeping. I just want to sleep for 5 minutes. You've told me that I should wake up at 5 a.m. every day. I've been waking up at 5 a.m. every day. I want to be a legend. Today I just want to sleep 5 minutes. 5 minutes, please. Legends, they sleep too.
When you make your first million, I made my first million when I was just 15 years old. I used to make lemonade with my mama and I'd sell it to the entire neighborhood. I used to wake up, grind, repeat. I'd say wake up, grind, repeat. You are an eagle. Remember that.
Oh, it's okay, I've had you. Every day, wake up, grind, repeat. Wake up, grind, repeat. I want to rest. I want to rest. In fact, today I'm not an eagle. Call me a goat. I just want to rest. I'm not an eagle anymore today. Just for today, I just want to be a goat and rest. Please, let me rest. I'm a goat. I'm a goat. I'm not an eagle today. I'm a goat. I'm a goat. I'm a goat. I'm a goat.
Legends wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. I wake up and I have been waking up at 3 a.m. every day for the last 100 years. At first, you'll be tempted to go back to sleep, but do not listen to that voice. Do not listen to that voice.
Hey, sawa basi. Hey.
Remember, you have to do it only once and do it right. You are an eagle. You are an eagle. Spread your wings and fly. Higher.
Listen, I don't want the parachute. I don't want to jump. Take the parachute. Jump yourself. I'm not an eagle. I'm a goat. Sleep is also for the living. Legends, they also sleep. I don't want. Today I'm a goat. I don't want to jump. Jump yourself. Go and jump. Wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning. Wake up at 5 a.m. Today I am not. I am tired. When it's me they're using to make wealth in Nairobi. It's me they're using to make wealth in this country. No. I'm a goat. I want to sleep. You take the parachute. Go jump. You become an eagle. Go fly. I don't want to fly. I don't want to parachute. I don't want to do anything. I'm a goat today. I want to sleep. Can someone rest in this country? Every day wake up, grind, repeat. Wake up, grind, repeat. You an eagle. Go and fly. You made your first million when you were 15 and you're not yet a billionaire. You should have joined the Benzos. You should have joined him and Elon. Yes, you should have joined them by now. You made your first million at 15. You're not yet a billionaire. Leave me alone. I made my first million when I was 15. I'm a billionaire. I want to sleep.